going to give an update on our potatoes today. We've been quite surprised with them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them now that have come up with in full leaf there. The others are still working on it. They're more like we would see them as they're sitting in the ground when they first start to break up through. But these 4 are starting to generate some really nice roots on the bottom. In fact, I believe that we're even starting to get some potatoes forming. Look at the little tiny knobs on here, look. And I don't know for sure, but I'm thinking that may be potatoes. I'm finding this experiment to be extremely interesting, as I've never seen before how the roots come out on potatoes. I've often wondered, do they break out through the bottom? Or where exactly are they coming from? But I have learned that they come from the base of the little stalk or eye that's there. Some of these don't have any of that on them yet. Some more. This guy here was a good example a few days ago. There was a second eye down on the side of this one, and that's where the initial roots came from. This eye here only just has the roots starting on it. It has no large roots on it yet. But since this one came up from the lower eye and it has roots going down, just have a look at the roots here. Since that one started putting down roots, this one here as well shot up and is producing leaves. So the nutrients coming in through those roots are getting up to the other eye, which did not produce the roots. Now it seems these larger roots that I'm seeing here are the ones that are producing little knobs, and I'm suspecting that that is the potatoes themselves. You can see this one here, the roots came out from an eye down here in the bottom. But there are also roots coming out from the eyes up on top. That one's going to start to spread some leaves now soon, I expect. It'll be putting up some nice green leaves like these are. Now if we look underneath here, we can see that there's only one plant on this side here that's got the roots coming out. And you can see how the water squirts up from the 2 of these little sprayers here. Let's look over in the other one. This one here, on the other hand, it has some really nice roots forming. We can see there's one there that's got a really large root on it. And hopefully this is where the potatoes are going to form. Now I've got a problem with the sprayers on these. These little sprayers are supposed to create a mist. But unfortunately, they're not misting as much as they should. So this is what I'm hoping to make my solution for not getting the mist that I should be getting from these sprayers. I've purchased this small diaphragm pump on Amazon. I've got a link below there. And I'm hoping it's going to give me the pressure that we need to make these 4 little sprayers actually spray instead of squirt. And then we're going to get a finer mist, and we're going to get a better coverage on the roots of our plants. Now at present we have a pump down in this reservoir. You can see here from this tube the level of the nutrient in the reservoir. And that pump is putting the nutrients up through the 2 black lines we have in there. Those lines go up to the sprayers. So that's actually, one line is split to go 4 different ways. Now the other 2 clear ones, that's the return nutrients. In the bottom of each of these containers, I have maybe about 1 inch or 2 of nutrient. We can see back here that the nutrient drains from about 1.5 inches or so actually. And that drains back down to the reservoir. So I'm hoping to increase the pressure on those lines so that my sprayers will spray. Once I get a power supply arrive from Amazon, and I'll leave a link below on that one as well, so that I can operate this pump, then we're going to switch that over and hopefully we'll have some spraying. Alright, so right here now you can see how these are just squirting. They're not spraying like they should be. But there is enough splashing around in there that the roots are all getting their share of nutrients. But not as good as they should be. So hopefully our new pump will fix that problem. So that's our potato plant update. We're growing hydroponic potatoes in the house in the middle of the winter. We'll give you an update again in another